Hey everyone, I'm back with another video on Viviva adult coloring book, but this time I'm having the floral book and I'm going to paint this one. So this is the color sheet and some water. Let's start. Like the cityscape book, the floral coloring book also has 24 sketches related to flowers and plants on 240 GSM ivory paper. You can also watch the video on cityscape coloring book on my channel, link I will provide in the description. Just look at the colors, these are very vibrant and works very well in this paper. The size of this book is A5. Slowly this sketch is turning into a colorful painting, and the process is so relaxing and it is something that you can do in your free time, or it can be a perfect gift for someone who loves coloring. If you really love this book or even the colors, then I have an offer for you. I have given the link in the description. You will get 10% off on the entire range of Vivivacolors if you use that link, and I will earn a small commission which will help me in making such videos for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.